Hello. What's up, everyone on YouTube? I hope everyone's having a fucking great day. Alright, so last time I updated some videos, try to get some batteries on this deck for a layout. And it wasn't looking too pretty because I guess the wheels over here, and I wanted them over here, and then the batteries go here, and real tight fit. So anyways, this is a 44-inch deck. This one's a 48. And it looks like I have a lot more room. So I think I'm going to start working on the battery. Just giving you guys an update how the DIY board's going to go. It's going to be a 16S. And yeah, I'm going to be very excited. I'm going to have the VEC. I have two single U boxes. I'm going to put them side by side right here. And they have fans, a 12 volt fan. And then I'm going to have these batteries underneath the deck. I'm going to do a DIY enclosure. And hopefully fit a BMS in it. 100 amp. So it'll be 50-50 for each motor. And 6 to 7 volts. Hopefully it'll work good. And then for the wheels, I'm going to be using 150 mil from inboards. Have them laying around for like 2 years now, just collecting dust. So, and then I'm going to be using a gear drive from Bornamics trucks, 220 hangers, adjustable base plates.
In the next 90 seconds, two manufacturers tell how they
and it's going to be the new gears, not the straight cut, but the other ones. I don't know what they're called. But I'm going to give you guys updates and pictures and post them on my Facebook and Instagram. I think my Instagram is Homer SWP. For stupid white people. Fuck yeah. And yeah, let's see how this fucker's gonna look. And I'm gonna also carbon fiber the deck because it's only 8 ply, and I might make it 10 ply. So I'm gonna carbon fiber the top and the bottom, and I'm gonna go with the color instead of black. I'm not sure red, green, or blue. If you guys have any colors you want to see how it looks, put it in the comments. If you guys think this is going to be a joke, fucking put it down in the comments. I want to hear what you guys got to say. Maybe you guys got some good advice for me. But yeah, this board's going to be a fucking beast. A 40 amp hour battery, 16S, gear drive, carbon fiber deck. Oh, sounds badass. I'm so hyped. And I also got a digital remote, so it tells me the miles and the battery and the remote. So it's by Sprint. Yep. I'm using the U-Box VEC or VESC or VSC. Vest. I'm out.